Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are highly welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Today's video I'll be showing you how to make a very powerful herbal drink that can help you protect your body from viral fever, malaria, or any illness at all, to help boost your immune system naturally. With so many people getting sick lately, you will agree with me that you need this help. This simple homemade remedy might be the shield your body needs. So guys, grab your cup and let's get started. Let me show you how to prepare it. This herbal drink is made from natural herbs found in your garden, yet they are very beneficial to your body. They are absolutely amazing. They are antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and they are loaded with antioxidants. And the best part of it, guys, it has a very good taste. It's what you can drink, and before some minutes the bitterness have leave your throat. Yes, you will not feel anything on your throat again. So it can be taken by adults, by children, if you have the right measurement. I'll be sharing with you the right way you can take it. So these are the herbs I will be using. I have guava leaf, I have pawpaw leaf, I have scent leaf, I have mango leaf, I have kotiwo leaf. I have so many leaves here. Even dogoharo is here. That's why I'm showing you the camera very well so that you can see the leaves, the herb. I have lime and also the lime fruit. So guys, this is a tea leaf also. Yes, this is tea leaf. I have so many leaves here that we are going to use to prepare this drink. The drink is very amazing. It is very easy to drink. So you're going to get a pot that will contain all the leaves, all the herbs. Yes, this, as you can see in the video, my pot is very big because the leaves are much. Yes, the leaves are much. So just rinse your pot very well. Then you're going to wash the herbs too. You're going to wash them very well to make sure there's no sand, because you know you're going to be drinking it. You know, we are helping our immune system, so we are not supposed to be taking in dirty so that they will not affect us also. Instead of us treating dirty and we are not taking in dirty. So make sure the things you're using to prepare your tea is very neat and very okay for you to use. So as you can see, I'm done rinsing my pot. So I will go now and bring all my herbs, all of them, and I will wash them very well. As you can see in this video, I took my time very well to wash them. So you're going to take your time very well and wash them, rinse them very well to remove all the dirty, to remove the sand from it. As you can see in the video, the herbs are in the sink and I'm about to wash them. I'll be washing them one after the other so that to remove all the dirty. So guys, you can see the herbs that I use. Yes, that's why I'm putting them one after the other so that you can know them very well. You can just go back and watch the video again so that you know them. They are very beneficial to the body. They have, some of the herbs here have a lot of vitamin C. With this particular one I'm showing you here, this one is very bitter, but it's what you can drink. Yes, it's what you can swallow. So that's why I add little of that herbs. This one is the lime. The one is the lime. You can use lemon if you have lemon. You can use lemon if you have lemon. I already added the lemongrass, which is also called the tea leaf. Yes, I already have the lemongrass, which is also called the tea leaf. So you have to wash it very, very well. Wash it very, very well. So after washing the herbs, as you can see, I'm washing them very, very well. Just pay attention to the video and you see me washing the way I'm washing it, so you can watch your own very, very well. So you'll be rinsing them one after the other like this. Just rinse them, make sure there's no sand. Yes, just take your time, don't be in a hurry while you are rinsing them. Just take your time and make sure they are very clean. Make sure they are clean. Just rinse them, wash them very well to remove all the sand from it. Now this is the tea leaf, also called the just rinse it very, very well. Yeah, the tea leaf, also called the lemongrass. Yeah, remembered. As you can see, the pot is full with the leaves, the herbs. So I'll be rinsing them again just to make sure they are okay. Just rinse again, then add water to it. All the leaves here are all edible. None of the leaves that you cannot eat or you cannot drink. Even one after the other, you can just take it once in a while, boil, drink. Some here are also used to treat stomach pain, to treat any kind of pain at all. So now I have my lime. I'll just press the lime inside. If you have lemon, you can also put it, add the lemon. If you don't have lime, you have lemon, put. The lime is very hard, so I just have to throw them inside like that. Don't peel the back, just throw it inside like that. Now you add enough water, because you're going to make sure it's much so that you can preserve it, so that you can be taking it every morning. Add enough water, just add enough water, maybe to the half of the pot. Yes, half of the pot. So guys, this is after about 20 minutes. This is after about 20 minutes. So this is how it looks. As you can see, the leaves, everything is almost ready, so I will still cover it for some minutes. You can see the water has changed color. I will still cover it, leave it for some minutes to boil before I'll drop it, before I will off my cooker. So guys, voila, it's ready. You can drink it now. All the leaves, they have infused inside the water properly, so it's ready now. It's ready. You can remove all the leaves. You strain it out. You strain the water. Just strain the water. Look for a very clean can, then you store it inside. Put it inside your fridge. It's very easy to store. Just remove all the leaf, strain it, then make sure all the leaves did not follow the water. Then just take 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup in the evening, but it's best taken in the morning while you have not eaten. Just take it on your empty stomach. Just 1 glass is okay for that day, and you are good to go. You can drink it anytime. Just give to anybody that wants to drink, and you see that your immune system will fight against any fever, any malaria at all. It's ready to drink. You will see me taking it. Though it's bitter, yes, the water is very, very bitter. It's bitter, but the bitterness does not stay on your throat or your tongue for 2 minutes. Immediately you swallow it, everything has gone. But if you taste it first, it will be bitter. You see my face on the video, it's bitter, but immediately you swallow it, everything is gone. I was even surprised to see that the bitterness does not stay long in your mouth. So it's what you can drink, guys. It's what you can drink. Please, if you are pregnant, if you are a nursing mother, or you are under medication, please seek an advice from your doctor before you take it. Pregnant woman, nursing mother, or you are under medication, please always seek an advice from your doctor before you take it. Yes, it's better you are safe than for you to hurt yourself. So you can drink 1 glass in the morning. So this shot, you can use it to give to kids. Yes, if you have any kids in your house, any child at all in your house, this is how you just give them. Just take this kind of shot and give them 1 shot in the morning, then 1 shot in the evening. Then they are good to go. Adult, you can take 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup in the evening. So drink it first thing in the morning, then last thing before you go to bed. So this is all we have for you guys. Try it and come back to share your own experience with us. Thank you. Like the video, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed, and thank you. God bless you. This is the end product. You can see the color is very, very beautiful. The color is beautiful. Very beautiful. Color is very beautiful. Just put the remaining one in any can at all. Fill it in the can. Put it in your fridge. Take it morning and evening. Thank you guys. God bless you. See you guys in our next upload.